In the West Bank, tensions rise once again between Israeli settlers and Christians living in the area. In Taybeh, the West Bank's last fully Christian town, settlers have reportedly taken control of a cement factory and quarry. Witnesses say an Israeli flag was raised above one of the plant's storage facilities. This comes after previous tensions last summer when settlers damaged part of Taybeh and left threatening graffiti. Joining us now is Bishop William Shomali, an auxiliary bishop for the Latin Patriarchate in Jerusalem. Your Excellency, thank you so much for coming on today. Now, we are following the story out of Taybeh, Brazit, and Ubud. Can you also talk to us about the general state of Christians throughout the West Bank?
The number of Christians in the West Bank, including East Jerusalem, is only 50,000 Christians belonging to Greek Orthodox Church, Catholic Church, and some Protestants. They live, most of them, in Bethlehem area, around half of them. The other greatest number live in Jerusalem and in Ramallah area. Around Ramallah, there are 5 parishes which belong to the diocese, the Latin Patriarchate, and they are subject to aggression from the part of settlers about whom we will be talking in a while.
Now, last summer, Taybeh made news after Israeli settlers were accused of starting fires, leaving threatening graffiti and destroying olive groves, which are central to the economy. Does this latest incident signify a new kind of aggression?
Yes. Now, in the West Bank, there are more than 200 settlements, and these settlements are built on Palestinian land, which is expropriated. More recently, since the end of last year and now, the aggression against Christians in the West Bank are multiplying. Before, situation was calm, like in Ubud, in Taybeh, in Birzeit, in Bethlehem area. But now there is more expansion of the settlements and more aggressions from the side of the settlers. They started by kicking out the farmers from Area C, from their properties, because the settlers believe that all the land of Palestine should be Jewish, and Palestinians are occupying this land since hundreds of years. So they should go out from the land, at least starting from Area C, which is agricultural land.
Bishop William Shomali, thank you so very much.
Welcome.